Hi everyone, this is Diamond and we visited this place called Aptos here in California, and this place is an incorporated town in Santa Cruz County, and the town is made up of several small villages which together form Aptos, which is there's the Rio del Mar, Suquel, Capitola, and Monte Toyon de Valle, Cabrelo, Seacliff. Those are the popular tourist place here, and together when you count them, combine the population is about 24,000. But here in Aptos, they only have in 2019 they only have 6,387 of population. I don't know right now, but this place is full of wildlife, from varieties of birds and sea life, and people love to come here to just sunbathing or swim. Even in the winter they have a very nice weather. Yeah, we saw different kinds of animals and things around. The most interesting birds that I saw here is called the Willet, and this bird is a large shorebird in the family of Scolopacibia, and this is the relative large and robust sandpiper, and is the large of the species called shanks in the genus Trina. And these birds, I watch them closely with my camera and my lens, and they eat together, they fly together, they look anything on the sun together. They have a teamwork, and it's very interesting to observe this kind of species of birds. During the time of our visit, we had so much fun. As you can see, the kids are having fun under the sun, and we are so blessed to know this place. This is all for now, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and may God bless everyone, and see you next time. Bye.